Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I have a bunch of things, mostly bread and butter. Let's just get into it. First thing I have is this hoodie from Columbia. This is a men's small or women's medium. I really like the color of this. I love looking in the men's hoodies. This is actually a men's hoodie that I found in my last haul. It's just New Balance, but I don't know. I like it. It kind of clashes with my hair, but it's cozy. A size medium. It's on a Gildan tag. Just says Maine. Found this sweatshirt tucked away in the jacket section. It's Nike size small. It's really pretty color. I like the color. The only thing that sucks is that this ribbon is fraying right here, but you know, you could take it out. I found this Adidas cold shoulder sweatshirt, size small. The trefoil and the 3 stripes. But yeah, cold shoulder. Cold shoulder. So I've never found this big of a size in Victoria's Secret. This is an extra large? Hold on. Yeah, extra large. No, I haven't even found an extra large before. I found larges. I find smalls and extra smalls all the time, but I was so happy to find a bigger size. But yeah, it's just Victoria's Secret tie-dye hoodie. Does pink Victoria's Secret go up to extra large, or does just Victoria's Secret? It's Peter Millar pullover, size large. I really like the color. I might keep this for myself. This is just a Carhartt Sherpa jacket, size large. Some aloe leggings. These are an extra small, I believe. Yes, extra small. Look like this. This fun, like, I don't even know. What would you call this print? I don't even know. I'm so excited to find some Lulus. These are the Ebb to Street pants. Logo is like a little metal. Ooh, guys, I need to do my nails. The sizing on the seamless leggings, I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. They have little notches. If it doesn't have a notch, it means it's a size 2. If it has 1 notch, it's a size 4, 2, size 6, 3, size 8, and so on. But yeah, I thought these were cute. Vineyard Vines leggings. I didn't even know they had a performance line. It's called Vineyard Vines Performance, size medium. With the whales. Lots of whales. These 2 pairs of shorts are the shorts that caused the uproar on my Instagram and on YouTube as well. They are Lululemon, and you know what? I forgot. I gotta look because I forgot the names of them already. One of them is the boogie shorts. Oh yeah, these are the boogie shorts. They look like this. These are the Botki yoga shorts. Look like that. Okay, I found these cute Champion reverse weave joggers, sweatpants. Really pretty pink color. Size small. Did I say that? On these Levi's. I had never heard of these before. These are made and crafted Levi's. These are the tender boot cut, size 29. There's the tag. And then the tag on the back is kind of worn. But yeah, made and crafted. I'd never heard of these. But they're in really good condition. Again, boot cut, size 29. Yes. On these cute overalls from American Eagle, they're size 6. I like how they're buttoned, like right here. I thought that was cute. And then they're like, if I can hold them up, super distressed. This matching Disney set, although they're 2 different sizes. This is a size 2X. I love the colors. Look at that. And there is some like cracking on the logo, but it just says like Walt Disney World. Look at that. Super cute. And then the pants, these are a size large. But these are cute because the waistband is like little Mickey ears. Super cute. And they're just joggers. And these are super soft too. Nike Air shirt. It's a size small. It's like a high-low. There you go. It just says Nike Air all over it. I found this shirt. Some people love this and some people will hate it. It's Life is Good, and it says peace, love, and a vaccine. I don't care your opinion on this shirt. I know some people will love it, so that's why I bought it. This is cute for the holidays. It's a Grinch. The nice list is so overrated. This size large. A couple more things. This is a Huck. Is that how you say it? H-U-K? Huck or Hook? Huck performance fishing shirt. This is a size medium. This is women's. Found this LL Bean jacket as 1X plus, 1X plus, but it definitely fits more like an extra large. I love the color of it. This is called the Air Knit. I think it's called the Air Knit Quilted Pullover, I think. I don't know. So I got this one. I found this one too. It's the same exact jacket, different color, different size. This is a size extra large, but it's got stains on it. Yeah, see? Ugh, I didn't notice that in the thrift. I'm gonna see if I can get those out. It seems like it's just oil stains. I've already washed this, so I gotta like try to treat those because this is really, really nice. And then I got this. This is already sold. This wasn't even listed for 24 hours. I think I listed it. Yeah, I listed it last night. It's a Patagonia quilted jacket, size extra large. I love this color. But yeah, it's already sold. So, but I just figured I'd show you guys anyway. And yeah, that's it. I got other things, but they're not too exciting. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.